Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this vacation, I'm gonna demo about a personal website and this practical exam. So in here, there is the home. You can see, and then you can scroll down. Then in here there is the footer. In here there is the header. You can visit another page with this button in the header. It's my skill, then project same also, and it's about same. You can visit it, then contact. Okay, so we can click the shortcut in the footer. So in order to go up and click, just click project maybe. You'll directly go to project website. Go to the contact, go to home. We directly go to the home page. Skills same also, all it's same. We can click about same contact. Then yep, then you can click from here also uh, to visit another page. Then there is the copyright something, the footer, and then this hi I'm out of Andy, and then some description. And they're basically same in here, but I had more design here. Okay, and this the project. There is yes. Yep, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for uh, watching. Maybe you can get the benefit from my demo. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.